Hi all. Today we are going to discuss about grep command. This is one of the important command in Linux operating system. Whether you are working as a Linux admin or a DB admin or a web developer, whoever those who are working inside Linux operating system, this command will be useful for them. Okay, and by using this command, you can search a pattern, or you can search a word from files. Okay, either there is normal file or log files. Okay, sometimes we could use this grep command to output of your normal command. Say for example, cat is the command. By using that, you can see the content of the file, correct? So after cat commands output, you can grep it, or something else, IP address or dff and hp. Many commands you have, correct? The Linux operating system command, those commands output also you can filter based on this grep command. I'll show you one by one, but before that, we'll see what are the options we have. If you see the syntax, grep, option, pattern, file. So grep is a command. Option is like I have given here I, R, V, N, correct? So these are the options. Pattern is nothing but which word you are going to search inside the files and directories, correct? Then finally you have to give the uh, file or directory path you have to give if you are searching anything inside the directory. Okay, we'll go and see one by one. See here, grep error log file. So let me share my screen and show that here I have one file called log file. Okay, first I'll show you what is there inside the log file. So these are the patterns I updated inside the file. Now I'm going to grep only. Let me clear it. I'm going to grep error. So grep error. So you can give in double quotes or without double quotes, no issues. Error. Then which file I am going to check in the log file. See here, out of these many inputs, okay, this many content log file. So error having only one. See here, error recorded. This is what I'm getting. Only I'll filter from this log file. Out of all this content, I'm filtering only the line where it is matched with error. Okay, but you could see here we have a capital letter error also, and that error is not coming. Why? Because this is by default case sensitive. If you want to run in with case insensitive, then you have to add hyphen I, caps I. The moment when you are insert caps I, see here, I am getting error. The E is capital letter, the first letter, and all are small here, error, as well as ERROR. So it is all are capital letter. So irrespective of case insensitive, irrespective of whether it is capital or small, so it will give if you add hyphen I. Hyphen I means insensitive, case insensitive. Okay. Next option we have recursive. See, I'll go one step back by using slash cd double dot. So clear cd space double dot. So I'm in root directory. Inside this root directory, I have a folder called project. Now, okay. Now I don't know. My word is in exact which file I have. I don't know, because if I ls my project. Okay, see these many files I have inside this directory, my project directory. I don't know my word is sitting in which file. I don't know. Correct. So in that case, what we can do, we can search with recursive mode. So just you have to hyphen R, you have to add. Then whatever you want, you can search it. For example, grep hyphen R. I want to search to do. Okay, to do something like this. I want to search from um, which directory. You can give here absolute path like my project. Okay, so in this is what the directory I want to search. So inside this directory, if you see in the system.log, I have system.log file. Inside I have a this pattern is matching to do, and I have log file as well. So both the files we have. Let me go and check vi system dot, sorry, my project, right? Vi my project system.log. I'll go in the same location. If I open this, if you don't know how VI is working, VI editor is working, then go and see my previous video. So there I explained how VI editor is working. Okay. So when you are entering, see here where I have that, I have to do here, correct? We have to do. Okay. Now I just quit. Okay. After that, same we can use log file as well. If you go and check log file, in the log file also where I have, see here I have to do. Okay. And one of the interesting thing is if you add, if with R, if you add I, then it will become a case insensitive. Okay, which means small t to capital T, small o capital O. So it will give you the case insensitive output. Okay, so like that you can add multiple options in one time in one command. You can add multiple options, I or something like that. Okay, next command we have hyphen we have. So let me show you. It will go into my project, so that will be easy. If I go to my project, I have these many files, correct? So now cat, I'll go with system.log. Okay, if you see in system.log, or you can go with any log file you can take. Okay, so if you see here, I have, um, for example, success, correct? So now I want to see grep -v. Okay, I want to see every content except success. Okay, success. The moment when I type, sorry, I have to give the file name, correct? Which file name? So my file name is system.log. So you can use double quotes, or without double quotes also you can, then no problem. So if you see here, I'm getting all the content except success. Okay, success is not there. Even if you could see here success means it is capital letter, so by default it will be case sensitive. That is why it is giving capital letter S, capital letter S, but you don't see the small letter one. Okay, now I'll add I. The moment when I add I, then it will filter out case insensitive as well. So case insensitive method. So what happened? Capital letter S or small letter S, capital letter success or small letter success, everything will be excluded. So hyphen V will help you to exclude. Hyphen I will help you to case insensitive. Whatever you are applying, that will be applied on case insensitive method. See here, success is not there. So this is the option of hyphen V. Same like we have hyphen N option we have. So it what it will do, show line numbers of matches, so which line that particular success is there. So let me, I'll take log file. Okay, log file, if you go log file, you can search with any file, no problem. So I'll go n means it is telling that success is matching line number 18, line number 21, line number 22, line number 27. Okay, success. Again here if you see, this is case sensitive. Okay, if you want to make it case insensitive, if you add I, then it will give you capital letters as well. So these many lines. So if you open the log file, log file dot shift colon set nu, if you type, then you will get the lines. If you come and see that which line it is referring to. Okay, so this is the advantage of grep -n. And then we have -c for count matching line. So how many matching lines? I don't want the output. Okay, I want to just count the matching lines. Okay, so grep -c, if I say, it will give me how many lines it is matching. 4 lines it is matching. If I add case insensitive, then it is showing me 8 lines. If you see here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. If I go with the case insensitive, 8 lines are matching. So this particular word available in 8 lines. Okay, next we have W means we are going to search with the word. Why? Because if you see here, successful, I want to filter only the word with success, correct? I don't want successful and all. It should be only a success. During that time, what you can do, you can use -w. The moment when you are using -w, wherever you have only success, okay, that lines only will come. See here, you are getting this line and this line. These two lines it will be ignore. Why? Because after success there is no space, correct? This is not a word. Success is a word, successful is a word. So here two different words. Okay. So based on the words, if you want to search, then you can give hyphen w. If you want case insensitive, then you can add I as well. The moment when you are adding I, then it will come all the success word wherever it is matching. So like that, if complete word, if you want to match, if you want to filter, then you could use hyphen w. Same like now you want to search two strings. If you want to search two strings, one is grep hyphen e. I want to search first two patterns. I want to search means, so first grep hyphen e, fail, then hyphen e, error. Okay, then which log file. The moment when you are searching, fail is not there, so only error is there, so error came. Okay, and let me check one more success. I'll check here. Okay, see here, it will give me both the it will filter the lines, it will show me the line where either success or error, any one. If it is match, it will show you. See here, in this line error is matching, in this mail, success is matching, in this line successful is matching. If you want, tell me, if you want success complete word only I want, then you can add w in front of it, so that it will show only success. See here, this is successful is different word, success is different word, correct? Like that you can use multiple options to filter it. Okay, next we have a5 and a5, not a5 actually, a some number, okay, b some number. Okay, so by using this, what we can do, we can show the wherever my line is matching, from that it will show top three lines. Wherever my word is matching, show me top three lines, and wherever my word is matching, show me bottom three lines or four lines, or a number of lines we can match it. Now I'll show you in the cat. Okay, log file. If you see here, I have line 1, line 2. Line 1 is there in the top. See here, line 1 we have, line 1, line 2, line 3 we have, then we have check. Okay, after that line 4, line 5, line 6 we have. Okay, I'll give you an example. So I'll go grep hyphen a, 3 lines I want. And what is the uh, pattern? Check. What is the file? Log file. If you give like this, the moment when you give a3, it will show you the matching line, and along with this 3 line bottom. Okay, if you want to go, with 4 lines, then it will show 4 lines. See here, after line 4, 5, 6, error also it is there. Okay, if you go and see here, after line 4, 5, 6, error also it is there. So like that you can take the lines along with the matching words. Okay, now the same reverse order, if you want to check, if you want to use b3, then it will show top 3 lines. If you want only 2 lines, then you can mention b2. Okay, like that you can filter a number of lines. Okay, after that, we have egrep. So egrep is nothing but it is the advanced version of grep. Okay, by using this, what you can do, you can multiple patterns. If you want to search, same, if you want to search multiple patterns, what we did, we given like this, correct? So instead of, what we can do, we can use type symbol. Okay, single quotes, then single quotes. If we give, you have to use egrep in front. The moment when you're using egrep like this, you can give multiple patterns here. Okay, like say if you want case insensitive, then you can add case insensitive. Okay, if you want only word, then you can add w words. Okay, like that you could use egrep. Okay, egrep is the advanced version of grep. After that, by using egrep, you can take anything which is starting with the this one. See here, we have debug, correct? Which means, let me show grep. I want a pattern which should start with the debug. I want line. Okay, but it should start with debug. Okay, debug. And egrep, correct? Yeah, egrep. So start with debug. Which file? Log file. If you see here, it is starting with debug. This also starting with debug. Let me edit one more thing. Let me edit this file. I'll go and I'll say here. Okay. Hi debug colon dry. Okay, dry run, something like that. Dry run is you. Okay. I'll save it. Now, if I run the same command, it will give only two only for me. Why? Because whatever I added the line, correct? Let me show you. Just grep. Okay. Wherever I added this one, it is not starting with debug, correct? It is here. It is starting with hi. So that is why in this command output that will be excluded. So if you want to filter any line which the particular word should start, if any word which is starting with the word debug or any word you can give, if you want your the line should start with your word, then you have to give this symbol. Okay. After that you have the same, like you can filter the end lines also, correct? So here I have recorded. Okay. So let me same recorded recorded. Okay. If I give dollar symbol, what happen? It will give only wherever your word is end with recorded. Okay. Now let me open this file. So here you have error recorded here, correct? Now I'll do one thing. I'll add one more. Error recorded hi, something like this. Okay. If you give, after that, if I run, it will not give that new line which I added, even though it is matching error recorded or recorded. Okay, it is matching recorded. What happened? It will not give. Why? Because that whatever line I added, no, that is not ending with recorded. That is why it will not filter here. Okay, then same like here also you can use recursive egrep hyphen or to do apple, whatever you want to give you can give. But if recursive, if you filter with the direct, it will come. You can multiple patterns, you can use it here. Okay. The same like if you are you can use hyphen c option for counting matching lines also. Okay. um, so apart from this, along with these options you can multiple options you can give in one command. It is not like that one single option you have to use. For example, here I used many places, correct? Double options I have used, correct? So hyphen I w, wherever I want hyphen n I, like that you can add multiple options here. Okay. So we will run. Next we'll see, say for example I'll run something. Okay. I'll run some command grep main. Okay, something I'm just searching log file. So I have here. So after that, if I say echo dollar question mark, okay, so it will give me the output 0, which means my previous command executed successfully. Output, whether it is giving output or not, that is different case. Say for example, if I go with something use blah 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 something, and if I go and check, it is giving me output. Why? Whenever you are getting one, then that command executed, but it is not matching. That is what the meaning I have given here. No match. If you are getting 0, match found. If you are getting 1, the previous command match 1. Okay. If you are getting 1, the previous command, there is no match from this command. Okay. Same like if you have any error, say for example I'll give something like instead of log file I give some like this, so no such file or directory it will show. In that case it will give me 2. So if it is giving 2, then your previous command has some error. So where normally you will use this when you are do the automations, correct? When you are writing the scripts or automations, during that time you will, after run the command, you will put one condition whether that command executed successfully or not. Okay. If it is successful, then move this next step, or not, then exit, something like that. You can use this 0, 1 and 2, this error redirection inside your scripting part. Okay. And as I said, this command not only on the files, even though you can use this in the one command output. For example, cat is the command. Okay, cat, same my file I'm using. Okay, my file. Okay, cat log file. Okay, so cat log file is there. This is the command. So what this command will do? This command will give you the readable format. You can read it like Adobe Reader, you PDF reader you are reading, correct? Like that, you can read the content of the file. So from this file, I want only grep. I want only high wherever it is high is matching. So I need only this one. So like that also you can use the pipe symbol. After the pipe symbol, you can use grep. After that high. Correct. What is pipe symbol will do? Symbol will hold the output of this command. Okay. From that, the grep command will filter only the lines which high is matching. Okay, like that what you can do, you can use this grep output of your any command. Say for example, ip space addr, this is the command to check your ip configurations in linux operating system, correct? Now I want only inet, I want only the inet. Okay, this wherever it is matching, I want only the inet. So what you can do, you can use grep inet. Okay, see wherever inet is there, yeah, this will become. Now you don't want inet 6, then what option you can use? You can use hyphen w. So when you use an hyphen w, exactly wherever this particular word is matching, it will come here. If you want a case insensitive, then you can add it I. Same like each and every options you can use it here. Same like you can, instead of grep, you can use egrep as well. Now I want here both the lines. Which one? inet also I want. Okay, inet also I want. Same like this valid lft, correct? This line also I want. So the how we can do? So inet, then one more here pipe symbol. After that here. Okay. So the moment when I give, okay, after that I have to mention which file. Okay. Oh no, okay, no. So let me check here. I given double redirection. So single direction I have to use. See here, inet as well as both are coming. Now I don't want inet 6. I need only inet, and here. Then what we can do? I can use hyphen w. Okay. The moment when you are using inet hyphen w, then it will filter only these things. Okay. So this is how you could use this grep and egrep command after your commands output as well. Okay. Most of the time people will use cat and then file name after that, then they filter whatever they want, grep something like that. Some people will use grep command in front, and the first they will use filter. Okay, something like warning, then finally they will give file name. Okay, so you can use any method, that is not an issue. Hope this will be helpful to you. Thank you so much.